There's nothing quite like arriving in a foreign city, ready to discover the sights and sounds of a new destination. For travelers visiting Las Vegas from around the world, the sights and sounds of our city greet them as soon as they step off the plane. Las Vegas-themed videos and iconic photographs line the walkways between international arrivals gates and the Customs and Border Protection port of entry. A total of 14 gates at McCarran are equipped to welcome these direct international arrivals. 7 gates are at the east end of Terminal 3, which opened in 2012, and 7 are in the northeast wing of the D Concourse, which was connected to Customs via a 995-foot-long underground tunnel in 2017. In addition to black and white photos of old Vegas, the tunnel is adorned with vibrant color images showing activities and events unique to our community, as well as the natural beauty of southern Nevada and surrounding areas. Once travelers reach the Customs port of entry, they're greeted by art, such as photographer Peter Lick's Blaze of Beauty, capturing the intense beauty of the Grand Canyon, a natural wonder that many may not realize is just a short drive from LAS. There's also Foley's in Flight, a tribute to the iconic Vegas showgirl, by local artist and performer Terry Ritter. Passengers present their forms and documents in an expansive Customs arrival hall. The area has its own separate baggage claim with 5 carousels. After clearing Customs and picking up their bags, they exit under a neon "Welcome to Las Vegas" sign for ground transportation, rechecking with their airlines, or to waiting family and friends.